closer to chaos. Israel has announced its recognition of Somaliland, a breakaway region from the Federal Republic of Somalia. I say this clearly, calmly, and firmly. This decision is wrong. This decision is dangerous. This decision threatens peace. Somalia is not a puzzle to be broken apart. Somalia is not a piece of land to be divided by foreign hands. Somalia is not a chessboard for geopolitical games. Somalia is one people, one history, one suffering, one hope, one future. And no foreign nation has the moral right to decide the fate of Somalia without the Somali people. I ask the world tonight, why now? Why this decision? Why add fuel to a region already struggling with insecurity, terrorism, and division? Africa is bleeding in many places. Our nations are fragile, not because we are weak, but because history was cruel to us. Borders were drawn without consent. Communities were divided without mercy. Conflicts were planted and left to grow. And now, when Africa is trying to heal, when Somalia is trying to stand, someone chooses to press on the wound again. This is unacceptable. I have seen images that broke my heart. Young Somalis crying in the streets, elders speaking with pain in their eyes, mothers holding children and asking one question: why does the world keep dividing us? This recognition is not an act of peace. It is an act of provocation, and history teaches us one lesson very clearly. When you divide a fragile country, you do not bring stability, you bring war. Somalia has suffered enough. Decades of conflict, foreign interventions, terrorism, displacement, hunger, pain that words cannot fully describe, and yet the Somali people still stand. They still believe in unity. They still believe in rebuilding. They still believe in one nation. So I ask Israel directly, respectfully, but firmly, what is your objective? Why be the first country to take this step? Why choose recognition instead of dialogue? Why choose division instead of unity? Why now, when Somalia needs healing, not fragmentation? This question must be answered honestly. Because when a powerful nation takes such a step, it sends a signal to other actors, a signal to armed groups, a signal to those who profit from instability, and that signal is dangerous. Africa does not need new divisions.